Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a studio photo shoot. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this free photography video. I've been on Squarespace for 10 years and it is the best website platform. You not only can build a website, but you can host a domain, have an e-commerce store for both digital and physical goods, do email marketing with an email list, and you can even offer memberships. Your website and email list are the only pieces of real estate online that you own. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, they can go away in an instant, like we saw with the 12-hour TikTok ban. Let this be your sign that it's time to get serious about your website, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Using Squarespace, you can build out a beautiful professional site in under a weekend. Now that Squarespace has rolled out their Blueprint AI, it's a flexible website template builder, even quicker to create a beautiful professional website. I created my branding course, lightscamerabrand.com, using the new Blueprint AI web designer. This truly rivals popular drag and drop website builders. You know that you need to start blocking your galleries, and Squarespace makes it so easy to plug and play SEO keywords for whatever you want to be ranked for on Google. Here's living proof that blogging works. That's how I get the majority of my clients. Back in 2022, I did a blog post for Columbia University graduation session. Super simple, plugged in the basic SEO keywords. I didn't even go that deep into it. Last year, I got 12 inquiries for Columbia University graduation sessions. I live in Seattle, Washington, the other side of the country. In December, 2 months ago, I got 2 inquiries for Columbia University graduation sessions. If you're ready to build a branded website that does it all and books you clients, you can go to squarespace.com to start your 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful professional site, go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. Without further ado, let's get into the vlog. I just got into the studio. It's called Sage and Soul. It's in Ruston, Washington. $75 an hour. I cannot recommend it enough. My model is Ashley and we've worked together twice. I've just gotten into the studio. Here's what it looks like. Very nice. A bunch of different couches that you can choose between. Little setup, boho. Love bug, you're so cute. She loves exploring. This is my favorite area, which is the little natural light section, and there's more of these boards that can be put down to bring more light in. You get access to this light. So this is called an Einstein. This is the light itself, and then this giant umbrella is called a modifier, so it's a separate attachment, and they have a really big one here, and Leah, the studio owner, can show you how to use this. It mimics window light, so you don't have to be in this corner. You're not limited to this. If you're using the Einstein, you can be in this corner. Ashley should be getting here in like 20 minutes or so. The camera trunk. What do you think, love bug? This is what I use to bring my camera gear around most of the time, unless I'm like going to be in New York or something and I want to use my backpack. But this is the Manfrotto trunk and I highly recommend it. It's TSA approved. So let's open it up. This is all totally removable. You can readjust these. I love it. So I'm gonna be shooting with my Canon 5D Mark IV, still going strong, even in 2025. And then for filming the behind the scenes portion for Instagram Reels or for YouTube, if I was doing that as well, I use the Canon R. I got this used from my friend. I got it for $800 a couple years ago. And I love it, especially the screen flips out, but I don't use this for photography because I just love my Mark IV so much, but the Canon R is great. With the video, I use my 15-year-old zoom lens. This is the 24-105. It's under $400. It's gone with me from Antarctica to Andorra. I love it. If I were to get another lens in 2025, it would be the 24-70 zoom. I don't know about EF or RF. Knowing me, I'd go with the cheaper, the EF, because I do love how the video looks when the aperture is at 2.8 versus 4.0, but is it really that big of a difference? And when it comes to like YouTube videos, the final product, 2.8 versus 4.0, is it really gonna affect anything? That would be the lens that I would get. Gotta get my favorite lens, the 85 1.2 from Canon. This I actually bought used on KEH, and I got it in the bargain version. See this little ding right here? It does not affect me putting the lens cap on or anything, and because of that ding, I got it for $800 versus like over $1,000. So it's worth it to me. What has my batteries, microphone for the video camera. This is the microphone that I use. I have the older version. The new one, you can have 2 mics hooked up, which is what I would recommend. These are both low pro soft shell cases. I have these in all different sizes, and then these are perfect because they slide perfectly into my low pro backpack, which is what I am using if I'm not using my Manfrotto trunk. Any camera stuff, my camera backpack, all that's linked down below. And then lastly, I have this from Manfrotto. It's my tripod case. This makes a huge difference. I didn't know how much of a difference it would make to have a carrying case for the tripod, but seriously, the more hands-free you can be, the better. And inside, I have a Manfrotto tripod as well, which this is the only brand of tripod I've had. I have one that's about 15 years old when I got my 24-105, and then this is a newer one that I got maybe back in 2019. That's all of the gear I think that I covered. To me, it's very repetitive to share the gear in every video, but I know there's always new people who are curious. So let's get the backdrop set up. This backdrop is from Intuition Backdrops, from a Facebook ad. I never fall for the Facebook ads, but this one I randomly did, and they were doing a crazy deal like buy one, get 2 free. The size is 5 feet by 5 feet and is definitely too small. It works for headshots. I'm so excited for today though. When I woke up this morning, I felt so depressed. And I almost wished, like, I was like, maybe she'll cancel with me. Like, I hope she cancels because of how depressed I was feeling. But I'm so happy that I'm here. It's just been a hard past couple of weeks, past year. Yeah, and at least I have my little girl here. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Love bug. I love you. This is gonna sound so stupid, what I'm about to say. This makes carrying stuff so convenient. Who would have thought? I know that sounds so stupid, but seriously, I would always have these little boxes, and then I have my ribbon, and then all these things in the bag, and like, come on now. Genius invention. Ashley just got here looking so cute. Look at this amazing selkie. They're so cool. Seriously, have some accessories laid out. I thought you might like to take a look and see if anything calls your name.
Well.
I also put stuff in here too.
Okay.
But I was thinking we could play around. We can add stuff. We can subtract. I don't know why, but I had these feathers for a different photo shoot. It could be cool to like put a couple together and then pin these like brooches on it.
Yeah, that'd be super cool.
I also love this, how obnoxious it is. It's fake,
so
but it's like
okay. It's so pretty.
Cute. Like, I don't know, something like that. I have lots of bracelets in here. I also have gloves and things. I thought these two are cute together.
Those are gorgeous.
Like a little layer. And I also have on, oh, sorry.
Oh, you got a snack.
My blood sugar snack. And then I also have other things in here. So what's calling your name? Ooh. What do you
Obviously the shinies. I love this. I love that bow. That's so
yes.
That's pretty. I love the gloves. This bracelet. I think this is really pretty. Let me see. It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Oh,
it's up to you.
Okay. Well, I love these two.
Which
for
ones?
Sure. Those are gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I love the flower. I love this. That's gorgeous.
Okay, amazing. And I thought too, we can like layer all of these brooches as well and like just play around. Let's see, what earring, do you have earrings in right now?
No, I don't.
What earrings would you like to choose? I also have more in here.
Okay,
Feel free to go crazy.
Okay,
take a look.
Oh
Come on, don't be shy.
Okay, let me see. Ooh.
Oh, those actually would be
Those are
cute
really
with it.
pretty, yeah. I'm gonna set those to the side.
And most of them are clip-on, so that then it's like easier to take on and off.
Got
Is a hack that I learned.
Love that.
Because it's like when you're in, especially if you're shooting outside in like a field or something, and then it's like, okay, put these earrings on, and then you lose like the back or something like that. So clip on, you guys, for the hack. We got these two really beautiful. I love how this is all patinaed on it. It's so pretty. You look so good in your makeup too.
Thank you.
Incredible. Yay!
Did it have to be like that?
That was So
during that time where they had all that rain and everything, the flash floods and stuff. And so I was like, okay, I guess
so
that's
when they like, I'm gonna just do a little light test. When they when they then like dock and stuff, do you just have the day to walk around and you always go back to? So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna show you the lighting.
Okay.
But it's gonna look a bit weird right now. Like, you'll see what I mean. But in, okay, this is just a test shot. In
Oh my god.
the editing, everything is gonna be, the way it's lit is to make sure everything is even.
Right.
And then in editing is when the actual like color and stuff comes in, but it's
looks
super
gorgeous.
so pretty.
Looks so princessy.
You seriously are like
Oh
Disney
my
princess
gosh,
in real life.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna adjust your hair a little
Okay.
bit so I see the earrings. So gorgeous, seriously. I love these earrings.
Yeah, I know,
They're
so
cute.
pretty.
And then fluff this out. That's so cute. You're so good at makeup, seriously.
I try. I'm like, I feel horrible at it.
No, it looks so good. And how your blush is all like connected to the eye makeup, it looks really pretty and harmonious. So pretty. Turn your face this way if you can. And then bring it down ever so slightly. Yeah, beautiful. I want to see how the light looks there. That's so pretty. Now this will feel weird, but you're going to lean forward ever so slightly.
Okay.
Even though it feels counterintuitive, it opens everything up versus when we lean back. It kind of like, think of it as like the chest is on display, whereas when you lean forward, the face. That's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. That's super pretty. Gorgeous. What if now I'm gonna have you put your hand down, and then I'm gonna have you face the light a little bit, and then turn your chest just towards me ever so slightly. Yep, perfect, perfect. Gorgeous, and the brooch looks beautiful. And then lean forward again. I know it feels so
Oh
weird.
yeah. I'm sorry.
You're good, you're good. It's something that is natural, so it feels counterintuitive to lean forward in the photos, you know? That's, you're totally good. Bring your chin down ever so slightly. Yeah, gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Beautiful. That's so gorgeous. With your hand that's on your, right here, slide it so I see more of your fingers.
Okay.
Me, yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. And then bring your face down ever so slightly. Yeah, gorge. That's so cute. Let's see. I'm gonna switch my lens again.
No,
Sorry.
you're good.
I have to switch it from for this perspective. Yeah, cute. And then bring your face down. It'll feel weird, but yeah, cute. Cute. What if you now have one shoulder higher than the other, and then like let's do this hand like right here.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Nice to meet you. Okay. And then, actually with your hand, can you have it laying down like this, and then kind of come up almost on your fingertips like this with this one. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you're almost thinking of it, rotate it more to,
This way?
yes, perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfection. Beautiful. Just one here. This little guy. Perfect. Lovely. That's so pretty. Turn your face towards the light. Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, love. OMG, that's so gorgeous. Beautiful. Now let's can you put both your hands down?
Yes.
And then turn your shoulders this way towards the light a little bit more. Yeah, gorgeous. And then we get the brooch, beautiful. Ooh, and then with your hands, I think I might actually have you have your fingers kind of be like this, like almost like
Touching a little bit.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Bring your chin down ever so slightly. Yeah, perfect. Perfection. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Seriously, so gorgeous. Okay, I want to show you how it looks. Okay. Take the glove off. So remember that it's just to make the even lighting right now. and it'll all be like really beautifully lit.
It's
and
still beautiful.
I'll even out like where the light is hitting on the on your shoulder and stuff.
Okay.
You're so cute.
Gosh.
Seriously.
Thank you. They're so pretty.
You're so gorgeous. I love the table. Something about it.
Yes, it's like
gives
really
more flexibility for different posting too. Do you want to try to put on the gloves?
Yeah, of
or
course.
something like that could be kind of cute. Oh yeah, moving the brooch up was definitely the move. It looks so good. The genius
Yes.
brooch. Oh
Yes.
my gosh, I love it.
So where do you want that?
Maybe hands one wrap around the wrist and then flip your, yep. And then the other hand, I'm gonna have you slide it so I see more of you. Oh, that's perfect, that's perfect. Beautiful. Bring your chin down ever so slightly.
I was gonna bring it up.
No, that's what feels natural when we're taking photos, but this is for the angle. Okay, you guys, look at her outfit. Ashley, you look so good. We just finished shooting. Oh my gosh, this dress is everything. Do you want to tell everyone where they can find you in your music? Come on, don't be shy.
You can find me on TikTok and Instagram at Vanilla Official. Yeah.
And tell us, you have a little something coming out maybe in the new year or in 2025.
Yes, I have new music coming out in 2025, so stay tuned.
So incredible. Seriously, you are amazing.
Thank you.
And just this, you just look so amazing. Seriously gorgeous. I could have sworn that I filmed an outro for this vlog in the car, and I did not. So I'm going to close out the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my best free resource, Build and Bloom, over on Facebook groups. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business and get perspectives from photographers of all levels and walks of life. I also have the Build and Bloom Photography podcast available for you to listen and learn every single Thursday. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.